Actually got the spray of the arrow running.
Okay.
Steamer.
Yeah. Is it a train from the train museum?
Yeah, it's a World War II one. They recently got it back.
Because you
Steamers, dude. What?
Do you want me to put it here too so you have video?
I'm all good. Yeah. So, is this one wait, is this?
Yeah, give it a good push. Ooh, I hate that noise.
Yeah.
You want me to take your picture?
Yeah, I'm just gonna wait. Yeah.